Welcome back. It's been a while since I last posted. I'm doing a series of Road to Fashion Goddess without any game passes. Like, I've seen many other YouTubers doing the same challenge but with the different ranks. So, why not try it out? I got really inspired by those other YouTubers. So, I will be playing in the master server right now. And let's see if we can hit the podium. I just got into master server today, so I don't know if I'm gonna place a podium or not. This is like my very first time, even though I played like 3 rounds in which I got podium 2 times. The outfits are so good in the master server and you get plenty of stars. Okay, so the theme is music festival. I don't think I have that guitar. Let me check it out. No, I don't do that. Okay, so we have spawn. Let's just do our skin tone. I'm collecting as much cash I can so I can buy that beeswax. So for the music festival, I am thinking about something like green or white cream combo. I don't have custom makeup, so I use a default face. For hair, I'm thinking of this. Yeah, these are good. My favorite. For nails, we'll be using the new design pack since it's the culture update and we got like so many new pack and this is will be like my piece. Okay, so maybe this floral skirt, maybe no. I think it's blouse is good. And this let's just remove all these ties and all. This is like my favorite shirt in this full update. I'm gonna use some of these arm legs. Yeah, the tights. For to make it a filly, I'm gonna be using this instrument and this dress spin and this Brazil really the feathers like the feathers are so beautiful and they make the dress more attractive. For this one, I'm gonna adjust it to backwards a little bit more. Yeah, so I'm thinking about adding this jewelry, makes it more attractive, and this headwear. It looks good, but we have a bald spot now. Not bald spot, but sort of the hairs are really visible despite the hat. Maybe these are enough. I should probably color these or let's add something else. A little bit of more accessories. Yeah, eyelashes are really important. I literally use eyelashes for every single round. Okay, I think I'm done with these. These look amazing now. The only thing I need to do is color them since we have already reached the limit of 18 items. Let's just color these with patterns and creamish or green type combo that I will be using in this outfit. Okay, this is looking already so much better, but we are going to change the hair color, something off-white or creamy tone, because I don't know, it matches more with the outfit. Okay, thumbs up. This one is also really good, like you could see, but I don't know, maybe 3 stars for the efforts. Okay, they're saying they just got into Master Survey yesterday. Me too. I literally got today. And this one is saying that they weren't driving their gacha outfit. Well, I can't both them. They're literally nothing wearing right now. Okay, this one is also really, really good. Maybe a little more better coloring. I'll give it a 3 to be fair. They are cute. To be fair. Okay, this one is not overall bad, but also not that good. 3. I'm literally voting everyone 3 here because the outfit is just fine, you see. Okay, this one really, this is so adorable. I'm giving them a 4. Seriously, they ate so. I'm speechless. Look at the outfit, the color combos. Even though they don't have a face on, still matches the fit. And that's me. I think I did really over. I don't really over any pose backs, so it's just me with some random poses. Okay, this one looks like a security guard to me, and I'll give them a 4. That is really good fit overall. And yeah, they're seeing the event planner, the 8. That's really good. Okay, this is another star in the server. Okay, her fit is also really cute. I'll give them like 4, maybe 3. 3 is good. Yeah, so that's really good, but we could have done more better. Maybe more layering and accessories. Ooh, this one is more cute. Like, it's just adorable. I give them a 3 to be fair. The outfits are just fine, I guess. Nothing really special, but no, I'm not giving anyone really less stars. Okay, this one is also really cute. Blackpink combo is really cute. I'll give them a 3. Maybe should they get a 3? Yeah, 3 is fine. Totally fine. And this one didn't really got time for the fit. Yeah, they're telling they put their all the time in hair. It's okay. Give them a 2. The hair is good. Oh, okay. This one is really, really, really good. Beautiful. But yeah, I could have given them a 4 or 5, but it's still incomplete. And so 3. I'm literally giving everyone 3 here. Let's see. Yeah, we didn't hit the podium. This was expected. So the highest is 30 and we got 22. Not overall bad. How we get into other servers. Let's just wait for the next round. Oh, I remember about my events. Yeah, yeah, my one is remaining three colors. Let me just do it. Just gonna save some random colors here. Yeah, good idea. Let's claim it. 80 and this. For confirmation, I have already done the petty pass long time ago. So I'm just kind of like waiting for the summer update when we could get the new items. I think it was like 5 days ago. So our next team was captain. I forgot it. For this, I'm kinda using mask faces. Or maybe that there was one face. Yeah, this one is really good for this team. I will be making a pirate, and these hairs are also good. Oh, I need to be an individual for that. For him, maybe something darkish. The polka dot pattern also. Yeah, this polka dot. For hair, I don't want the highlights. I'm just gonna do them all black. All black is much better for the hair combo. As for this is really good. Side is perfect, but I gotta adjust this. I'm gonna do hat combo with these two hats, and this dress. This dress is too perfect for this, and this plus only jewelry. I'm gonna color those and adjust them so they could be like more good. I don't want that little string coming in front of my face and blocking the view. And maybe just head to. I'm kinda just layering up hats here. So I'll be using this jewelry, which is really good. Maybe this, no, not this. Yeah, this is good. And maybe these pants? No, let's not layer pants. This dress, maybe they're only the top. No, it's like kind of blocking all the street. I'm gonna use this back tail. Maybe remove the tail. And these shoes. It cool. Other really majestic type. And this little shoe. And no, not these. Let's just see what else can I do. We're gonna go to the boot. Let's add the Valentine's update rings. These are really good hopes. And maybe forgotten something. No. Let's just color the hats. Okay, so from here I have mostly used patterns, dark dark theme like deep root red and black combo, mostly for the pirate vibes, and the pants really need a really pattern. Just finding a perfect pattern, like there's a bunch of patterns. I don't know what to choose. Okay, this girl outfit is so good. Maybe I should also use this, but time is almost up. Let's see. Okay, this one really basic. They're saying they're Luffy. Okay, not that half bad. I'll give them a 3. Okay, this one really is. That's so good fit. I'm giving them 5. Seriously, how did they even make that cool fit? I don't know, what are they? It's pretty plain. Let's just give them a 3. Maybe 2. I don't know what they are. It's really boring. Maybe. But 2 is good. Oh, it's me. I don't think I'm gonna compete the first girl. Not the first girl, but the second, third girl. The bright one. She really ate with that fit. Okay. Oh, people vote me. And oh my god, another parrot. That's so good. The girl really ate 5. Maybe a 4. Not 5, let's say that. But the fit is really good. I would like to say that. I don't know what I'm talking. This is not scripted though. I'm just saying like this. Ooh, this one is also good, but it's not really fully colored. The hair combo is also good, but it's not finished, and I don't understand what are they? 2 for the hair and the top. Okay, this one looks like it's a cheerleader. Really cutesy type. Yeah, they are a cheerleader. Well, I don't like, but to be fair, let's give them a 3. 3 is good. This one is okay. It's not finished. They didn't got enough time to complete the fit. I'll give it to the hair and cap is good. Maybe it's not completed. What can I say? Oh my god. OMG, that's so good. Look at that. Okay, I love it. I love it. 4 stars. Okay, this is the what I'm talking about. Look at that, that's so cool. I'm giving her a 5. The red tones and the hair, it's so good. She ate. I'll say that. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we got the podium second petition. And we got 33 stars. Not really bad. Let's just thank them. I didn't thought I'll hit the podium with these divas.